In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the scene tools. So let's start by creating a cube, just so we have something in our scene to manipulate. So the first tool that we have is the selection tool. So we can find a selection tool on the upper left corner in the toolbar. So the selection tool allows us to select different elements into our scene. Then next to that we have the move tool, which allows us to move elements around. So we can select the individual axis, or we can select the 2D planes, which allows us to move an object in the two axes of that specified plane. Next to that we have the rotation tool. So the rotation tool allows us to rotate an object. And then the last tool we have is the scale tool, which allows us to scale a particular object. So let me just reset the object. So far I've been selecting the different tools through the toolbar. Another way that we can select the different tools from is from the Edit menu. So you can find the selection, move, rotate, and scale tool there. Next to it, we can see that they also have a shortcut. So if I would do Q, if I hit Q, I can see I activated the selection tool. If I hit W, I've activated the translation tool. E is for rotate, and then R is for scale. So those are the different shortcuts. Another option we have as well is to actually change the mode in where a manipulator is in. So this is represented by the two different buttons next to the different scene tools. So you can see by default it stands into local mode, but we can change it also into object. Sorry, you can also change it into world mode. Another way to do that as well is just by hitting the same tool button multiple times. So in this case here I'm pressing W, which is the shortcut for the translate tool. So if I press it once, it comes in default in the local mode. Then if I hit it again, it will go to world mode. And that will work the same way for our translation and our rotation tool. That's it. Thanks for listening.